Hubeck, and this is my presentation on James Gosling and the creation of Java. So, who is James Gosling? James Gosling is a Canadian computer scientist who went to the University of Calgary and got a BSc in computer science in 1977. He is best known as being the creator of Java, being the man who created the original design, as well as being the person to implement the compiler and virtual machine. He is also known for building a constraint-based drawing and text editor for a Unix system called Gosling Emacs. So, what has he created? He has created Java, a class-based, object-oriented programming language designed to have very few dependencies, one of the most famous and commonly used programming languages. Gosling Emacs, also known as Gmacs, the implementation of Emacs for the Unix line of computers. It is now discontinued. Though, Gosling Emacs had future uses. Since Gosling had permitted the unrestricted redistribution of Gosling Emacs, this led to his code being used in the initial version of GNU Emacs. How does he relate to the field of computer science? Java is one of the most universally accepted and common programming languages used in many electronic devices in some shape or form. Over 3 billion devices use or incorporate Java into their usage. Java is used on countless devices from Blu-ray players to set-top boxes, gaming devices, car navigation systems, and many other devices. When did James Gosling create Java? While at Sun Microsystems, James Gosling developed the initial version of Java that was released on May 23, 1995. Java is still worked on to this day, though it is now owned by Oracle. Sun Microsystems was bought out by Oracle on January 27, 2010. The current version of Java is Java 9. What has he contributed to the computer science field? James Gosling's biggest contribution to the computer science field is Java, which has revolutionized the computer science field. There are more than 10 million developers working with Java. What has James Gosling done since the creation of Java? After working as an engineer at Sun Microsystems from 1984 to 2010, he worked at Google as a software engineer from May 2011 to August 2011. He worked at Liquid Robotics as a chief software architect from August 2011 to May 2017, and he now works at Amazon Web Services as a distinguished engineer since May 2017. Java's application today. Java is used most commonly to the everyday person on Android phones, where code is written using Java. While people don't interact with them directly, Java is used often for financial servers. Java programs are often behind the scenes, in the sense that they are used in almost everything in some shape or form, but is rarely noticed by the end user. How has Java and James Gosling influence changed over time? Object-oriented programming was far less common prior to Java, and Java is designed to have less dependencies, so it is able to work on more devices that have very different specifications. And this is the citations page.